This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on employee page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Employee List, choose an existing employee. Click on the employee name from the employee list. Right below the multicolor buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your employee without needing to navigate between screens. It allows you to drill into employee details, time cards, checks, and paid time off directly from the grids. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is the employee record information. Employee details lists all ADF details, add-ons, deductions, fringes, and direct deposit and/or net pay for this employee. Employee time cards lists all time cards entered for this employee. Employee checks lists all checks entered for this employee. Employee earned used personal shows the number of personal days the employee has earned or used. Employee earned used sick are the number of sick days the employee has earned or used. Employee earned used vacation shows the number of vacation days the employee has earned or used. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolor buttons below the page tabs. Blue Add is to create a new transaction. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes are made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.